That was 047 behamba nontando bangani besithi ndixolele basara basibeka phaa kwimizuzu elishumi elinesibhozo ibethile intsimbi yokuqala. Nditshilo ke mphulaphuli ndathi ke sinalo ndwendwe lwethu namhlanje uThabo Mkhize uThabo Mkhize Photography esabe sincokola naye ke namhlanje kwi-Success Stories Hour yethu. Nalapho ke sisithi into okokubana ke yonke ibhizinesi enkulu okanye entle, it starts with i-step sibe sinye, and sometimes ke eso step osithathayo is simply picking up ikhamera kanjengaye ke uThabo Mkhize. And for many i-photography ke iba yi-hobby, but for today's guest it became indlela to i-opportunity and i-success through determination, sharp business sense and a creative eye. Uthe wakwazi into okokubana ke amanage into okokubana ajike i-moments into i-brand that is lasting. Namhlanje sithetha ke naye ke uThabo Mkhize, a photographer who has built a thriving business in an industry apho ke ithetha into okokubana ke you have to use italente yakho and i-strategy. Si-excited ke ukuva into okokubana ijeni yakhe folde kanjani. Sincokola ke naye uThabo Mkhize. Masikubulise Thabo, sikwamkele enkqubeni ithuba lokokubana uzibulisele kumphulaphuli weVukani.
Yebo, sanibona, ngiyanibingelela nonke emakhaya balaleli beVukani Community Radio.
All right, ke Thabo Mkhize, usicele nje a little bit about yourself and how your photography journey began.
Igama lami nguThabo Mkhize, ngisuka endaweni yaseBergville, KZN, but ngokokuhlala manje ngise-North West. Ijeni yami ye-photography iqale ngesikhathi ngisasenyuvesi. Ngaqala ngathatha iy'thombe ngisesesikoleni, then nami ngangazi ukuthi into engizoqhubeka ngiyenze, but ukuhamba kwesikhathi namanje ngagcine ngibonile ukuthi angisale sengiqhubeka nayo.
When you started ke wawungaqinisekanga nje ngokuba sowutshilo, wawungaqinisekanga into yoba yinto ozawuqhubeka nayo, mhlawumbi you were doing it out of i-passion. Yintoni eyakukhuthazayo into okokubana mawuthathe le passion yakho uyenze ibe yibhizinesi?
Ukuyenza kwami i-photography njengoba ngishilo ukuthi kwangasinto engangitshela ukuthi ngiyoqhubeka nayo, but into eyangenza ukuthi ngiqhubeke nayo, ngabona abantu ukuyithanda kwayo and ngabona ukuthi mangathiwa ngiyangiyeka lento baningi abantu abangiqashayo, yabo, and baningi abantu abangikhuthazayo nakuma-social media ukuthi angiqhubeke ngiyenze lento. So ngabona ukuthi ngcono ngiyenze ibhizinisi ngoba ngayiqala nje sakudlala. Ngoba e-varsity ngangithanda ukubukela i-YouTube because i-photography akusinto engiyele esikoleni, but into engayifunda nje ku-YouTube. Ngathatha ama-strategies ku-YouTube, then ngathi no, othi ngiyenze ibhizinisi because abantu bayawuthanda umsebenzi wami.
Uqala kwakho ke business yakho as someone who is self-taught ese-university, usesi-student esinavigateayo nje into okokubana ke ungenza ntoni apha empilweni to keep busy. Zeziphi ii-challenges owathi wadibana nazo in getting i-clients and building i-reputation, umntu ayazi into okokubana no man, mna ndizawukhetha ufodwa nguThabo Mkhize?
Akhona kakhulu ama-challenges okuthola amaklayenti, noma siwatholile amaklayenti amanye sometimes awabhiliveli entweni ukuthi ekutheni ukuthi kumele uze uqashe i-photographer ukuthi izokuthatha iy'thombe. Abanye babhilivela ukuthi bazosebenzisa amafoni, uyayibona leyo nto. So yilezo zinto ezenza ukuthi kube nzima ukuthi sithole ama-customer kwesinye isikhathi, but ukuhamba kwesikhathi abantu mabebona ukuthi umsebenzi we-photography muhle kangakanani ukudlula owefoni, ileyo nto esenza ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi siloke siletha amaklayenti ngaso sonke isikhathi. Sizama ngokusemandleni noma sesilwa ne-AI, but senza ngokusemandleni ukuthi abantu babone ukubaluleka kwe-photography, and i-photography ayisoze yaphela noma sifikile i-AI, but as ama-photographers zama ngokusemandleni ukubonakalisa umsebenzi wethu ukuthi ubaluleke kangakanani.
Now i-photography mos ngumsebenzi oyi-art, and at the same time for you yibhizinesi, sisonka sakho. So ubhalansisa njani ke ngoku the creative side of i-photography and also the business side of it?
I-photography iy'nkinga kakhulu ngoba sometimes mawenza i-photography kwesinye isikhathi unokushutha ushuthe ubuze ubone ngathi usushutha into eyodwa uvilaphe ngisho ukuphosta nakuma-social media, uyayibona leyo. So ngalesi sikhathi ungaphosti kuma-social media abantu abaningi bayakukhohlwa, then bahambe balandele laba abaphostayo, uyayibona. Nami ike yangibamba leyo nto ukuthi ngingakhoni uku-advertise-a umsebenzi wami because uku-advertise-a kufana nokuthi ubonisa i-art kubantu or ukhangisa kuma-client wakho ku-chairs. Nami inokungishaya leyo nto kwesinye isikhathi ngivilaphe ukuphosta or ngisaba ukuphosta ngibona as if lezi iy'thombe ngathi azikufanele ukuthi ngingaziphosta, kanti ngalesi sikhathi ngingafuni ukuphosta mhlawumbe zimbi kumina, komunye umuntu angabona as if cha lo muntu uyakwazi ukwenza into yakhe wothi ngimqashe. So ukuba kwi-art nokuba kwibhizinisi ngenza ngokusemandleni ukuthi umsebenzi wami mangiwenza ngenza sure ukuthi mawufika emehlweni abantu bawubona umuhle, bokwazi ukuthi bangiqashe kwenzeke ibhizinisi.
Okay. Kwi-business ke ngoku side of things, ngeyiphi i-photography ongathi ubana yeyona that is most rewarding in terms of ukukhulisa ibhizinesi yakho okanye ukungenisa imali kwibhizinesi yakho? Ingaba yimitshato, ingaba zii-portraits zabantu okanye ii-events okanye i-graduation, ngeyiphi i-photography othi yeyona ekuncedisayo ukukhulisa ibhizinesi yakho nokungenisa imali?
I-photography engigxile kuyona kakhulu okwamanje umshado, ama-events nama-graduation. Ngisagxile kakhulu lapho, not ukuthi ezinye angizenzi but ezinye kukancane ukuthi abantu bakuqashe, kuba idlanzana nje, kodwa imishado iyona kakhulukazi enemali nama-graduation nama-event-ke nje azovela esithubeni, iwona impela enza ibhizinisi lime.
Okay. So xa ungumntu ke orana ibhizinesi mhlambi uyirana wedwa, because I believe awukabi nazo ii-partners osebenzisana nazo. So xa ungumntu orana ibhizinesi yakho wedwa, you get to wear zonke ezi hats from marketing to i-finances, izinto ezinjalo. So beyond ukufota nje abantu, xa urana ibhizinesi ye-photography funeke uhendlishe ii-finances, uhendlishe ii-clients, ii-operations, marketing, yonke loo nto leyo. So how did you build that business discipline?
Ibhizinisi lami ukhona ubhuti engisebenzisana naye, ubhuti wami ngokwegazi,
Okay.
uSipho Mkhize, use-Pretoria yena. Cause mangabe siyoshutha imishado yena uthatha amavidiyo, mina ngithatha iy'thombe, uyayibona leyo nto, sokwazi ukuthi sisebenze kahle. So ngama-finances naye unokungisiza ukuthi no, asiseve imali engaka, asi-investe imali engaka, asisebenzise imali engaka ekuthengeni i-equipment eshodayo kakhulu. Cause sometimes kwesinye isikhathi singama-photographers mangabe sibona ukuthi sithola imali eningi, sijaha ukuyothenga i-equipment eningi, enye igcine singasayisebenzisi. So manje ubhuti wami unokungisiza ukuthi no, kunokuthi sithenge zonke izinto esingadingi, asibeke le mali, then soloke sibona ukuthi ikuphi esishoda ngako, sikuthenge, singavele sithenge yonke into ngesikhathi esisodwa. And ebhizinisini funeke wazi ukuthi kumele kube nemali oyibekayo, ungayisebenzisi imali yonke oyisebenzile, cause awazi ukuthi amanye ama-client uzowathola nini, uyayibona leyo. So
Yes.
ngaso sonke isikhathi yonke imali oyitholayo kumele uyibeke, ungayimoshi.
Yeah. Yeah, and also Lindo, that you just said, but it's important into yobana imali yakho ingabi stuck kwi-equipment ongazoyisebenzisa kube kungangeni imali. How do you
Yeah.
then manage elaa xesha loba mhlawumbi i-business is-slow, mhlawumbi ayo-season yemitshato, ayo-season yee-graduations, akho events zenzekayo, so i-business is-slow, so akho photography work ingako yenzekayo, apho iinyanga zakhona sometimes ezinye iinyanga zibhizi, ezinye zi-slow. So xa kukho ixesha apho ke ngoku kukhona i-business is-slow, how do you then manage, and especially i-cash flow?
Kulezo khathi lezo cha ziba khona cause akubi sonke isikhathi esibhizi, kakhulukazi isikhathi sasebusika ayibi bikho imicimbi eminingi. Kuleso sikhathi ngiyaye ngiprinte cause ngiprinta ney'thombe, ngiya-advertise ukuthi ngiyaprinta abantu iy'thombe, iyona into eyenza ukuthi kube ne-cash flow. Ngiyaprinta ama-album, ngiyaprinta iy'thombe, ngiprintela nje wonke umuntu ose-South Africa ngimsendele. Iyona ndlela engikhona ukuthi ngikwazi uku-survive-a ngayo kulezo zimo ey'njalo.
Oh, okay. Then ke ngoku what do you do? Uye wenze njani mhlambi ukuze ukwazi uafforda okanye mhlambi uafforda uku-upgrade equipment yakho ukuphucula i-studio space sakho okanye i-marketing? How do you then find i-funds zokwenza ezo zinto zinjalo? Do you reinvest i-profits zakho back into the business okanye khona enye indlela owenza ngayo?
Njengoba bengishilo ukuthi imali esisebenzile iyona esiyibekayo, then makufika isikhathi sibona ukuthi no, nakhu la sishoda khona, asithenge ukuthi mfowethu, then sesisebenzisa le mali esisebenzile ukuthi sikhone ukuthenga equipment sokwazi nebhizinisi ukuthi likhule.
I-photographers ezininzi njengokuba busowutshile uba sometimes ngamaxesha apho ibhizinesi iba slow kungekho zi-events zininzi ibhizinesi iba ayenza imali kangako ezinye ii-photographers ke njengoba nawe usenza ziye zidiversifye into ukuprinta okanye mhlawumbi zenze nezinye izinto. Enye into eyenziwa zii-photographers yi-content creation. Ingaba have you explored content creation as a different revenue stream oyisebenzisayo uku-strengthenisha ibhizinesi yakho?
I-content creation sometimes cha ayikho imali esangenzele yona cause angiphosti kakhulu kuma-social media like abo-Facebook. Ngiyaphosta nje iy'thombe ngaleyo ndlela, but angisiyo umuntu we-content creation ngathini, angikho active ngaleyo ndlela we-content creation. Ngiyaphosta nje umsebenzi wami engiwenzile, then ngithola ama-client futhi engizowashutha. I-content creation cha ayikho imali engenzela yona.
Oh, okay. So it's not something that you have explored as into eza kungenisela imali kwibhizinesi yakho. And then ke ngoku ungathi yeyiphi i-decision uyiqalile mos le business yakho as a student back when wawuse-varsity wadecide into kokuba uzawuqhubeka nayo, and then you kept making decisions apha kwibhizinesi yakho. Ungathi yeyiphi i-decision owayithathayo, a business decision owathi bana okay, this decision yiyo eyandinceda into kokubana mandikhulise okanye encedayo into yobana mayikhule ibhizinesi yam?
Into eyanginceda kakhulu mina njengoba ngishilo ukuthi ngiyaqala e-varsity, ngaqala ngokuthenga ikhamera yami yayi-cheap, yayi-1.5, but ngiyabona ukuthi ayiyenzi lento engiyenzayo. Kwangikhosta ukuthi ngibeke imali yokudla cause ngangithola NSFAS. Ngabeka imali ya-NSFAS unyaka wonke ngilo ngiyibeka kancane kancane, ngahlanganisa nemali yencwadi. Iyona i-sacrifice enkulu engayithatha leyo, ukuthi ngithathe imali yencwadi, ngithathe imali yokudla, ngathenga ikhamera.
Yeah.
And futhi iyona-ke into yangenza ukuthi ngingabe ngisayeka ukushutha ngoba le mali le engithenge ngayo le khamera edura kangaka kuzomele iyibuyise.
Yes.
Nangempela
Okay.
cha, iyayibuyisa.
All right. Zeziphi ke ngoku i-skills xa uthetha nomntu omameleyo ngalo mzuzu oqonda into kokubana no man, yazi ndinomdla nam kule nto yenziwa ngulo bhuti ye-photography, ndiyayenza mhlawumbi ndisasebenzisa i-cellphone yam but ndinomdla kakhulu ekufoteni ndiyayithanda le nto and I would like to become a photographer okanye successful photographer nam ngenye imini. So ungathi zeziphi i-skills ezibalulekileyo the business skills ke ngoku ezidingwa yi-photographer azozisebenzisa beyond nje ezi skills zi-technical ze-photography? Uthi bana okay fine, this is a business skill iphotographer nganye esidingayo.
I-photography skills edingwa kakhulu i-photography, kahle kahle uma uyi-photographer kumele ukwazi ukuba different. Babone abantu ukuthi noma bekubona kuma-social medias babone nje isithombe ukuthi cha, lesi sithombe sishuthwe uThabo. So uma ngabe uyi-photographer kumele kube nendlela yakho, kube ne-skill sakho okhona ukushutha ngayo iy'thombe, mhlawumbe u-edithe ngendlela o-editha ngayo kube isitayili sakho. Naloko kuyakwenza ukuthi as a photography uphumele wedwa obala, then abantu bafise ukuthi nami ngiyafisa ukushuthwa yilo muntu oshutha kanje ngoba ugene i-skill wonke umuntu angenaso. Because uma ngabe ungenaso i-skill soku-editha as a photography kuba nzima ukuthi abantu bakuqashe ngoba nomunye angathi hayi nami ngiyakhona ukushutha njengaye nje, yini engenza ukuthi ngize ngimqashe ngoba nami ngiyakwazi ukushutha njengaye. Kulabo
Yes.
abasebenzisa amafoni, abasebenzisa amafoni ngathi abaqhubeke bashuthe ngamafoni, bangajahi ukuthi umuntu afune ikhamera because amakhamera ayadura. ukuthi ayanyuka unyaka nonyaka awehli. Akaqhubeke asebenzise ifoni, angadiscourage-eki. Akhona amafoni ashutha kahle, akhona amafoni photographer. Mayekhona nje ukushutha iy'thombe ngefoni, like afunde le skill engishilo sokuthi ezoku-editha. Maye ngabe engakhona uku-editha iy'thombe zefoni, because nami nginako ukushutha ngefoni sometimes, ngiyi-edithe iy'thombe zefoni but abantu ababoni because ngi-editha ngesitayile esifanayo nesengishutha ngaso ikhamera. So umuntu
Yeah.
unokuhluleka ukubona ukuthi la ushuthe ngefoni, la ushuthe ngekhamera because ngigeyine i-skill soku-editha. So i-skill soku-editha, ukwazi ukusebenzisa ama-editing software, ikona okwenza ukuthi as i-photographer ukhule kakhulu, abantu bafuna ukukuqasha futhi ibhizinisi liqhubeke.
Yeah, speaking of ukufuna abantu bafune ukuqasha, yintoni oyenzayo kanye zeziphi i-strategies ozisebenzisayo ukuseta ii-prices zakho ukuqinisekisa into yoba ii-services zakho are both affordable for ii-clients and zi-profitable for wena?
Kulapho ekusetheni i-price, ngeke unelise wonke umuntu ngoba sometimes abanye bazothi hhayi uyadura, hhayi unjani, hhayi wa-cheap, uyayibona leyo nto. Sometimes nokunikeza umuntu ama-prices bamangale ukuthi hayibo wena oshutha kahle kangaka wabiza kancane kanje. Omunye uyamnikeza i-price, hayibo wasudura kangaka. So ama-prices ngivele ngiwasethe ngendlela engibona izinga esengikulona ukuthi no, kuleli zinga esengilona ngibeka kule price,
Yeah.
uyayibona leyo nto.
I believe that i-business yakho ikhule ngokunetworker and building relationships naba bantu wawubafota ngokuya wawusaqalisa, mhlawumbi the people owawufunda nabo phaya eyunivesithi sebephumile ngoku, mhlawumbi bakwezinye indawo bayaphangela, bazi nabanye abantu, and you've been networking throughout these years. So ungathi kubaluleke kangakanani ukunetworker and also building a relationship for i-success yebhizinesi yakho?
Kubaluleke kakhulu. Iklayenti lakho lokuqala ilona elibaluleke kakhulu. Kumele iklayenti lakho olithole ekuqaleni, kumele uliphithise nale klayenti lakho oqeda kulithola manje, kube yinto efanayo. Ungathi ngoba wena washo ukuthi umuntu ngo-2017 anisakhulumisani, sunalela
Yeah.
maklayenti amanje. Lonke iklayenti olitholayo kumele ulitreat-e ngokufana neklayenti olithola manje. Wonke amaklayenti abalulekile ukuthi
Yeah.
once iklayenti waliphatha kahle, lokwazi ukuthi litshele abanye abantu ukuthi no, mina nangu umuntu ongishuthele kahle, nangu umuntu owenza so. Leyo nto yenza ukuthi ukhone ukuthola ama-customer amaningi,
Yeah.
uyayibona. So ngaso sonke isikhathi wonke umuntu omtholayo kumele umphathe kahle, noma ngathi vele ukuzwana kube khona ngoba yisebhizinisini, kodwa
Yeah.
kumele as wena as i-photographer kumele wenze sure ukuthi lonke iklayenti uyalinelisa, lonke iklayenti u-treat-a ngokufana. Ngoba ukulahlekelwa hhayi ungaqhubeka.
Yeah. Now njengokubana ke ngoku unetworkile wabuild relationships and then ke ngoku abantu have to trust i-brand yakho, i-business yakho is reliant kwi-personal branding ne. Then umuntu ayazi into okokubana uThabo Mkhize is not just a photographer, uThabo Mkhize is a brand. How do you build i-brand yakho ke ngoku uqinisekisa into yobana this brand uThabo Mkhize it stands out kwezinye ii-brands ze-photography?
Ukuqinisekisa ukuthi ngi-stand out like angizicompare-ishi nabanye abantu, ngizenzela into yami. So ngenza sure ukuthi ngiyisethela ukuthi ngizo-achieve-ani esikhathini esingaka, uyayibona leyo nto. So ngoba sometimes ama-photographers amaningi ashawa ukuthi afuna ukuzicompare-isha nabanye, uyayibona leyo nto.
Yes.
So mangabe uzicompare-isha yikona lokho okubulala umsebenzi ngoba manje mawuzicompare-isha uzozibona as if wena lento oyenzayo ayikho, uyayibona. So ngaso sonke isikhathi as a photographer kumele ufokhase kumsebenzi wakho, ungazicompare-ishi nabantu, then ibhizinisi liyoqhubeka.
Okokugqibela ke Thabo, phambi koba ke sibe siyakukhulula, xa ngaba bekusithiwa ngalo mzuzu you are mentoring a young photographer, ngeyiphi i-advice, a business advice ongathi umnike yona ukuze a-avoide ii-mistakes othe wazenza wena as a photographer as uba ukhulisa ibhizinesi yakho? You have this young photographer, uyimentor yakhe. So uthini kuye uba jonga, take this business advice so that you can avoid these mistakes esizenzayo as i-photographers as we are growing ibhizinesi yethu?
I-advice engingayinika a-young photographer, lama-price awabizayo awekho wrong, akabize i-price ezomgculisa, angashuthi abantu mahhala ngoba manje waqala washutha abantu mahhala, nabanye
Mhm.
bazoza bathi luyani umshuthe mahhala, luyani umshuthe futhi abantu uma bekhala bethi, no thina sinayo imali engaka sacela usehlisele,
Yeah.
angehli ngoba leyo nto wonke umuntu ozoza athi uzoshutha kuyona uzofuna ukwehliselwa ngoba uzwe loyana ukuthi umehliselile umenzele i-discount.
Mm.
And aqhubeke aphoste umsebenzi wakhe abantu bawubone ngoba sometimes into esishayayo asiwuphosti umsebenzi wethu.
Mhm.
Nami nje inokungishaya leyo nto, ziningi iy'thombe enginokungaphosti, kanti mase
Mm.
ngiyiphosta abantu bajabulele ngizijaje mina ngoba ngisibonile isithombe ngibone engathi asikho right. Omunye
Mhm.
umuntu ngeke asibone ngale ndlela oyibona ngayo as i-photography, and
Yeah.
ungazinyeki ngomsebenzi wakho.
Yes.
Mm.
Enkosi kakhulu. Singathi-ke ngoku singabaphulaphuli xa sifuna ii-services kaThabo Mkhize, unomtshato, une-graduation, une-event ethile okanye ufuna ii-portraits ezi-professional njalo njalo, singamfumana phi uThabo Mkhize?
Ngiyafumaneka ku-TikTok uThabo Mkhize, ku-Instagram @uThabo Mkhize, ogcina ngo-R, uMkhize ogcina ngo-R.
Yes.
Ku-Facebook uThabo Mkhize, utholakala
Nakho.
kulawo ma-platform womathathu.
Mhm.
Naku-WhatsApp ngikhona ku-074 0272 566. Sishutha
Mm.
i-South Africa yonke siyatholakala.
Yes. Thank you so much ke Thabo ngokuthi usijoyine apha enkqubeni uzoshare nathi ke i-insights malunga ne-photography business and also inspiring an aspiring photographer onomdla wokokubana ke naye alandele ekhondweni abe ngumfoti. Sikunqwenelela ke nempumelelo namathamsanqa kwibhizinesi yakho going forward.
Ngibonga mina msakazi, ngiyabonga ukuthola leli thuba elingaka. Ngiyabonga.
Thank you. Besincokola ke naye ke uThabo Mkhize uThabo Mkhize Photography utshilo ke
Oh, the meeting was done. Hello.